According to this, minimum payment is how much? What percent? 3%. So we're going to take 3% of $12.75. The average daily balance. It's just, we didn't charge anything extra, so it's just $12.75. Now again, how do we change a percent into a decimal? 3% is how much as a decimal? Yep, 0.03. Yeah, that's not good. It's early. What'd you guys get? 38.25, I heard. Anybody not get that one? We can look at it. There's only 4 of us. It would just take me a second. You need help? Okay. So, here's something I'm hoping to convey by this lesson. Notice that all you have to pay, if you charge $1,275, you're only going to have to pay $38.25 a month. But $21.74 of that is interest. So actually, you've only paid off, if I subtract those, you've only paid off $16.51 of the $12.75 that you charged. So yeah, you're paying it off, but it's extremely slow if you only pay the minimum. If at all possible, you should always pay more than the minimum. And if at all possible, you should pay it all off, because if you pay all off, what's the benefit? No interest. That's right. Good. All right. Pages are sticking together. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, this time we're going to do a little bit more. Our credit card bill is $10,275. So while you're working this out, I'm going to come around and look and see how you're doing compared to what I have. And so I can help you answer those 2 questions, although number 2 is really a 2-parter. figure out the interest. The one that has all those steps for the interest. Good, yes. It's going to be pretty good. All right, good. We're not quite finished, obviously, but tomorrow we're going to finish this up, and then you're going to have an assignment where you're going to be finding this stuff on your own, just, for practice. Bless you. Thank you. And due to time, I'm going to go ahead. I walked around and I saw everybody on this first one had none, which is awesome. That's the main thing I want to get across. If you can pay off that credit card, you don't have interest. Second is interest for 1 month, and it doesn't tell us what month, so we're just going to assume 30 days. So it's still 19.9%. Those were the assumptions that we made at the very beginning here, unless it's told otherwise. So we know that the daily percentage rate is still the same as it was before. It's not going to change. We did that. I mean, I skipped a couple of steps there, but that's because it's going to be the exact same thing. You take 0.0 or 0.199 divided by 365, and you get this. Then you take 0.0, no, that's the minimum, sorry. Then you take 10,275, and you times it by that daily percentage rate. That's a funky looking 0, sorry. 10,275 times 0.12355. Oops, no. Okay, I got 5.65 something. And then you times that by the 30 days. So that's about $169.54 because it rounds up. Did I lose anybody?
I messed up on the 0.99 parts. We messed up the whole equation.
Yes, and it would do that. But like if it was a test or something, you would get partial credit for that. But yeah. But you see what you did wrong?
I think so.
Okay, I will come look at it in just a sec. Then the minimum is 0.03 because 3% times 10,275. And the minimum payment is $308.25. Again, over half of that is going to interest. So you got to be super careful there.